Yes. So last class we discussed about how to create, how to implement declarative pipeline, how to implement a declarative pipeline, and also added many stages, right? So intro, this is very important. And interview mostly they are asking, so can you write your pipeline script and all, declarative pipeline script and all. So as of now, we added 4 stages, right? But if like this, we can add many stages in. So based on your requirement, we can add many stages. Let me connect my Jenkins server. Yeah. So coming to here, so and so last class we implemented, right? So what is declarative pipeline, and so how to implement? So declarative, there is two types of pipelines. One is declarative. So if you come to declarative, so pipeline, right? So the syntax like this. So like this, we can add many stages. So right? So pipeline. This is a pipeline, and it will starts with pipeline, and mostly we are calling agent. So agent is nothing but where which mission you want to execute and all. Anyway, I am using any, and so tool section. So under the tool section, so mostly we configure our build tools and all. Here I configure build tools. Okay. So build tools we configure, and what is the syntax? Stages. Stages is the root tag. So under stage we can add many stages. So stages is the root tag. Stages is the root tag. So here we can add many stages. So yesterday I added 4 stages, right? So same like so one stage for this is the stage. So we passed stage name. So we passed stage name continuous. So I want to new continuous download, right? Or SCM. Simply we are calling download, and this is the syntax. Under we can right. So here we are going to add steps. We are going to add steps. So this is actual task. So this is your actual task. So this is a basic syntax only. This is your actual task under. So like this we can add many stages. So as I added, like suppose if you add to one more stage, if you want to add one more stage, so copy this one, and also yesterday we added, right? This is the, for example, I want to give like compile. I given like one stage is compile. So this is compile. So this is a compile. Same way, one more stage. This is the one stage. What is the stage we given? After stage, so after stage, we pass like compile, and so this is the I generated package artifact file, right? So artifact file. So like this, we can add many stages, not only 4, but based on requirement, we can add sonar cube, or we can add, right? So we can integrate. So we can integrate a sonar cube server, or if we have any Cobachara tools and all, so that and also we can add. So like this internet they are expecting these stages only. So what are the stages we configure? What can you explain your pipeline? Can you explain your pipeline stages and all? So finally I used a continuous deployment, right? I created one server, that is the deployment server. So under the deployment server, once artifact file is generated, I copied and pasted, right? So last class already we discussed all these things, sir. So anyone any doubt here? So let me create theme. So as of now, you know how to implement declarative pipeline. Now today we are going to see how to same syntax, same script. So how to migrate, how to change it to scripted pipeline. Both are same only, right? So both are same only. We can use scripted pipeline or we can use declarative pipeline. But so mostly we are based on but we are using my current project also we are using scripted pipeline, not declarative pipeline. But so many people this is the advanced one. So if you want to, we can use this one or we can use a scripted pipeline also. Now today we'll see what is scripted pipeline. Same syntax only it will change. Remaining everything is same, right? Already you know. So what is the difference between scripted pipeline and declarative pipeline? Only it will the way the main difference is so syntactical wise only. We can easily understand declarative pipeline. And also you know right, this is a newer version. This is a new version, and so we can easily add many stages, and also we can easily understand. But both purpose is same only. Both purpose is same only. And so yesterday I created one job, right? So yesterday I created one pipeline job. Yesterday I created one pipeline job. Now you let me connect this Jenkins server. First, let me connect this Jenkins server, and so go to here. So here my PM file is available. Now if you go to git bash and paste it, okay, control plus plus. Okay. Now so this is our so how to check system CTL, system CTL status. So Jenkins. Just I want to check my Jenkins server is running or not. Anyway, it is running. Now how to connect? So same. Copy this public IP, your Jenkins server public IP. So as of now, every day, this is a public. The IP will change. But if in real time we are using static IP, it is a fixed. Once you assign it that static IP, that elastic IP to your server and all, every day no need to change it. But anyway, right now we are using public IP. Every time if you restart your machine instance, automatically IP also it will change. Now I log into my Jenkins. Now yesterday we created one job, right? So what is which project we created? So see here, DevOps pipeline, DevOps pipeline. And if you want to update anything, go to configure section, go to configure section, go to configure section. So these are the stages, right? Yesterday I added many stages. Now let me notepad. Okay, so these are the stages yesterday added, right? So this is the one step pipeline and agent any and the tools, and this is the my one already I configure, and stages. This is a root and stage. Each stage I added like this. Now this is a scripted. Now how to write so script this is declarative, right? How to implement the scripted pipeline. So only syntax will change. Already we know, right? So if you come to scripted pipeline, there is no stage, no steps, no and all. This is very simple only. Now if we come to here, this is the node. This is the scripted pipeline. But both are purpose is same only. We can use anyone. So here no pipeline and all. Just we are calling node. So node is the root tag. So node is the root tag. And so if you have any definition, variable declaration. And so there is a directly, and so there is a stage, sta stage. So under the stage, for example, continuous deployment, same name I'm giving, continuous continuous download, right? So continuous so download. So under the continuous download, so directly there is no stay, no steps and all. So directly write your task and all. That's it. Nothing. Very simple. See here. Now we can easily understand. Now one more stage. STA stage. What is the stage? Now if you want to know, so what is the stage and all? This is the compile source code. Compile code, right? Same compile code. So under compile, 1 second. Sorry. Now this is the stage. So under the stage, so directly, so your actual task and all we can add it. Same way. Now one more stage. For example, artifact file. Same. Yesterday we written some steps, right? Same. We are going if you want to implement via. So if you want to implement, the scripted way, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Now see here, actual task and all we can add here. Now deploy, continuous deploy, right? This is also one stage. There is no steps directly, we can call it. If you understand nothing, deployment. Now see here, actual task, how it will work. Now see, now same script I am going to implement, I am going to convert. So I am going to convert scripted only. I am going to convert scripted. Clear guys, anyone, any doubt here? So here starts with node. So here starts with node and stage and directly stage name, and we can call your actual task and all. We can actual task and all. This is the stage. This is the stage name task. Stage name task. So like this we can convert. Clear guys, anyone, any doubt here? Hello, clear Aswini?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me create so one more job, one more project for scripted. So now dashboard new, and so here so just I'm giving DevOps hyphen scripted so pipeline, whatever no pipeline, just select the script. That's it. Now if you come to here apply save, let me copy that existing script. Already I have, right? So now coming to here, where is this? This is a pipeline, and go to configure section. Go to configure section, and let me copy. Okay. Now same thing. Go to here and scripted pipeline. Go to here. Go to configuration section. Go to configuration section, and go to stay. This is the script area. Now same thing. So here, do we have any pipeline? No. This is the stage. Sorry, this is the node, right? So this is the node. I no need to this and all. Just remove. I will configure, and so stages. There is no stage. So directly stage only. Under the stage, there is no steps. There is no steps. Just remove one curly base also. That's it. Very simple. Now see here, and see. Okay. Now control Z. Okay. So this is the stage started. This is the stage continuous download, stage started, and it is ended. Now one more thing, compile, right? So compile. This is the stage. Under the stage, remove one curly base. and started here, and there is no steps, right? So no steps, and so coming to here. Now this is one more stage. So stage, and there is no steps. There is no steps, and so there is remove one extra curly brace. That's it. I remove, right? So if you have any doubt, so if you click on here, started here, ended here, started here, ended here, stage started here, ended here. So like this we can stage started here, ended here. Now deployment. Now if we come to here, so deployment, and so coming to here, remove one curly brace, and so there is no stages, right? There is no stages. That's it. There is no stages. Directly deployment. So directly deployment. But here instead of this IP, so we need to give public IP. So which is your public IP? Yesterday this is my public IP. Now I restarted my server, right? Now this is my public IP. 17. Yesterday 127, right? Copy this and just update this one. Right now I'm not using right now I'm not using any elastic IP. IP. If I restart my instance, so every time my instance IP will change. That's it. So remaining and all, so no need to change anything. All are same only. So now started here, remove one thing, and so that's it. Now see here, very simple only. If you know ignore declarative pipeline, or if you know scripted pipeline, and we can easily migrate, you can easily change it to, so we can easily migrate it to another another script. So here anyone any doubt? So apply, save. So anyway build will fail. We need to add one more step. I will add it. So I will add to Maven and all. We missed Maven and all. Now see here. So compile is done. So if you see errors and all, we can understand. So what is the problem? Maven command is not installed. Maven command is not found, right? So in this declarative pipeline, so I added, right? This is the tool section. But if you come to scripted pipeline, there is no tool section. So directly we can declare the variable and we can call that variables and all. That's it. So if we come to here, I open that script. Mm, Jenkins and declarative pipelines. So yesterday we got this file. Now see here, first we need to declare the variable name and we need to assign that variable to here. That's it. So this is a variable declaration, and coming to here, this is a variable declaration def. Def is nothing but so variable declaration only. Now go back here. Now here, first declare the variable. So they declare the variable, and so here we can here only source code, right? So wherever we want, just add it. So now now we need to add, so mn equal to tool that specific version and all. So that specific versions and all. But here I am using which one? Here I am using which version? mn mn 3.8. This is a name. mn so 3.8. This is the name. That's it. So we declare the variable, and so df not only mn home, we can give any name, and so mn equal to tool equal to maven so 3.8. ఫోన్ చేయ ఫోన్ చేయ అడుగు సార్. So that's it. Now apply, save. Remaining no need to change anything. Save. Now build now. Now check it. So whether it will success or fail. So now see here. Still it is fail. Why it is failing? Still Maven command Maven not save.
అంటే
Hmm.
అంటే డాక్యుమెంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి కోడ్లోకి వెళ్ళి కింద ఈ లైన్ తీసే ఏది ఆ లైన్
ఇదా
పైన
this one
పైన పైన అక్కడే వేసి అక్కడే వేసి
ఎట్లా వేసిన వర్క్ అవుతుంది, దానికి ఏం ప్రాబ్లం అదే.
మిగతా లైన్స్లో కావాలి కదా.
ఓకే, ఐ విల్ యాడ్ ఇట్. Where is that? Mm, this one. Go to configure. Mm, just remove, cut this line, and okay,
Yes.
are set. So now increase this. Now go to main definition. Okay. Now apply. Now save. Apply is save. Now build now. Which version I am using? Maven 3.8, correct only, right? So men compile variable script line 1 maven command. So script return exit code. You copy this one, delete. So to not this one 3.8 colon 8080. So scripted pipeline. First go to here, same version only, right? We are using. Let me check it. Some modified global tool configuration. Global tool configuration. So install Maven. This is correct only. Maven 3.8. So now coming to here, go to the scripted pipeline. Go to configuration section. Go to configuration section. Here MVN package df declare Maven.
You need to use before MBN.
Let's save it. Okay, we can set anywhere. Okay, build now.
Variable name slash MBN.
We missed something.
Yes.
Variable
Name slash MBN. Before MBN, you need to place MBN homes something in scripted.
MVN tool.
That variable name you need to use before MBN. You, you defined one variable. That variable you need to use before MBN.
Right, I copy this one. Yeah, right.
Yes. Slash I think.
Wait. Already here, I said. Okay. I missed. We need to call that, or else we can set.
Yes.
Mm, mm, mm.
This one you need to place.
Okay. We missed this part.
Yes.
So copy.
Yes.
That is reason it is not identified. Okay. MEN. Yes, it's now clear. So MEN slash bin MEN space Maven compile. Maven, and also here double quotation. Here also double quotation. Okay. And the same way, copy this one. We need to set that path. Okay. MEN space double quotation. Now only 3, right? Now here we can declare anywhere this. Correct?
Yes. That is
Okay.
now it is okay.
Now it will okay. MEN bin. So artifact. So download, compile, apply. Now we can build now. Still something missing. Fail. Where it is fail? Build fail. So MVN compile scanning must uniqueness.
Check it. 2 MVNs are not required, I think.
I will edit. Mhm. It is added 2 times. So now I need to remove 1 MVN. Okay. Now I remove 1 MVN. That's it. So compile, download. Okay. So MVN tool set. So MVN space bin already I am in MVN. This is a Maven home path. Next compile. Next Maven home path. Next package. That's it. Okay. Apply. Set. Build now. So now, so continuous download and continuous source code compile and generate the artifact file. So now here it is fail. Now we can check it. So here it is fail means, and so there is some problem. Deployment and all, there is some problem. Let's check it. What's the problem? So what is this problem? Container Linux with Maven was deployed. Attempt to deploy war file. So deploy war file. So because here my IP is changed, I need to update that one. What is that one? So go to here. The server is not running, right? Let me connect this instance. So go to here. Make connect. The Tomcat server is not running. Tomcat server is not running. So as of now, we didn't start, right? So that is the problem. We are unable to deploy it. So what is this error? Here also we can so know that error and all. So if you go to here, go to click on build number and so go to console output. In bottom we can see that error and all. What is this error? So now see. So it is trying to war file is generated and it is trying to deploy that file and fail to redeploy. We are unable to deploy that server. So now check it whether my this Jenkins this my Tomcat server running or not. So it is not running. So anyway, it's stopped mode. Sudo -i and so cd space slash opt directory and ls and cd space apache tomcat ls cd space bin. We need to start the Tomcat server dot slash startup ss.sh. Now Tomcat server is started. So first check it whether we can able to access or not. Coming to here, so copy that public IP. Where is your Tomcat server is running? This is copy this public IP and so just paste it here. Colon 8080. So now we can access, right? Deploy login admin admin admin. Sorry, admin. So anyway here now already application is running. Just undeploy it. Undeploy. I undeployed. Now I need to copy this. So this one, right? This is the IP address 240. So we need to update here. I wrongly updated. We need to update. So your Tomcat server IP, right? Where is your Tomcat server is running? Go to here and so here also we need to update. Not 17. This is your. This is your. This is your. Go to here. This is correct. Now see here. This is my Tomcat server is running in this instance. So in this instance, okay, I updated. Apply, save. Apply, save. Now just run the build. Now go to here. Go to the dashboard and click on the scripted pipeline and build now. Now go to console, go to here, go to console output. Now we can check it. Now see here. So finished. Deployment is successfully finished. Now go to your Tomcat server. Just refresh it. Just refresh it. So whether application is deployed or not. So just refresh it. So click on here. Still it is not replied. Sometimes it will take time. Or go to here. Where is this cd space? Where is your deployment path? cd dot dot ls cd space web apps ls, where just check it whether it is deployed or not. So now see here web apps, here we don't have any application. We don't have any application. So refresh it. Now again let me run the build. Sometimes one or two times it will take time. Build now. So anyway it will deploy. So click on this. Build is done. Now Tomcat is deployed into contact path. Coming to here, replace it. Now see here. So Maven, so web Java apps. So Maven web Java apps. Now we can able to access, right? So same only, just we need to update. Only we need to change the, remove the. So this is a scripted. This is the syntax. Node and a variable declaration, and there is no steps and all. Just remove steps and all. That's it. There is no stages also. Here no stages. Now if we come to here, if we come to here stages, stages is the root tag, and directly we can call stage only. But if we come to scripted pipeline, and there is no stages, directly stage, and the stage whatever you want we can configure. So whatever you want, we can configure. So next clean, next same way package, next artifact, next continuous deployment and all. So clear guys, anyone any doubt here? Hello, anyone any doubt? So what is the scripted pipeline and how to implement? If you know any one any scripting, any the declarative pipeline or a scripted pipeline, we can easily convert to other pipeline. Okay. So anyone any doubt here? Same yesterday I implemented declarative pipeline. Same pipeline I changed it to scripted pipeline. The only small changes. Now see here. So there tool section is there. Here no tool section. Declare the one variable and set that variable. Wherever we want we can set it. But here directly I am go to that particular path, my Maven home directory bin, and I am executing this one. So this and all actually test cases and all leave it. If you want to we can use this one. If you don't want, remove this one. See, dmaven.test failures. If you have any test cases failed, I don't want to. I don't. Sometimes it is stop. It is the build will fail. I don't want to fail the build. So ignore true. True means say even test cases fail also. I want to compile the Java classes. Now see here, even test classes fail also. I want to create the package. So that case we can use so yeah, hyphen d maven dot test dot failures dot ignore true. So if you want to we can add it. So just now I added, right. So directly I called. See here how it will work. So directly I am using mn compile. Now what about this one? Here directly I am calling this one only, right. So I called maven path and maven path. I called maven path, and and directly I executed. So I called maven path and I directly executed. So directly executed. See here, this is the up to maven path. Right, Windows we are setting maven path. So go to my computers environment variables, and just we created men hyphen men underscore home. We given maven path and all, right, home directory. So this is same equal to that path. Compile, and so it is a package. Once package is done, and automatically I connected to my Tomcat server, and I deployed into the my test server, my test server. That's it. Clear, guys? Anyone, any doubt here? Hello? Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now, so real time, so mostly that is based on your wish, based on project requirement. So as of now, I am using which script here? I am used which one? So here I am using scripted pipeline. And also here I written code and all, where I written, see here, script area. This is nothing but script area. But so first class I explained it, right? So there is a default file name is there. What is the default file name? So Jenkins file. This is the default file name. This is the text file. So Jenkins file. So Jenkins file is the default file name. And this script and all, whatever script you developed. So generally we are copy that script. First we need to create the one file, Jenkins file in our repository. And so keep that your script in that particular file. So how it will work? Now if you observe here, now let me copy this one, copy this one. Now if you see here definition, there is one more option is there. Pipeline script from the SCM. If you select this one, so if you select this one, let me copy this script, Control C, my feature reference. So Control V. Okay, Control A, Control V. Now see same script only, right? Now I keep somewhere. Now see here there is one more. As of now I am using a pipeline script. So generally we can implement whatever script and all we can implement here and we can execute. But mostly we are following second option, pipeline script from SCM. If we select pipeline from SCM means source code management. Where is your code? So generally, so basically your script also we are maintaining in our repository. This is my repository actually. See here, GitHub. If you come to here, GitHub dot, this is my repository. So if you go to here, go to repository, I used which one? Maven web application. This is my repository, correct? And if you select dev branch, so this is my source code. I want to keep my script and all source code only. I want to keep. So for that case, we need to create one file. We need to create one file. So already file is available. Just this is one file only. Don't give any extension and all. So don't give any extension and all. Just create one file only. Just create one file. So get just this is the code path and all. This is the file and all, right? So this is the we need to create one file. Two ways, we can download the code and we can add that file, or we can create it, or directly UI level also we can create file. So UI level also we can create. What is the file name? So what is the file name? Like this we can give Jenkins file 1. Now I'm giving file 1. So don't give any extension at all. That's it. If you give means it will create. So now already my Jenkins file is there. This is my Jenkins file. There is no extension. Don't give so don't give .exe, .doc, dot like that. Just give one file name, Jenkins file. That is the default file name. And this is my old file. This is my old script, right? So this is my previous batch. Now I want to update. So click on the edit button. Click on the pencil button. If we click on this, so if we click on here, so let me refresh. It is not signed in. First, let me sign in. Okay, now I logged in, right? Now go to here. Now go to here and select the branch name, dev branch. And so if you go to here, so there is one file, one option is there, add file. If you click on create new file, now just give the file name Jenkins file. That's it. Don't give any extensions at all. Jenkins file. So Jenkins file is the default file name for pipeline. Jenkins file is the default file name for pipeline. Now already I created. Suppose if you want to update, there is two ways we can update, guys. First we can clone this project. See here, click copy, copy the URL. You know, right? How to clone the code in our local repository, local. So multiple ways we can do it. Now see here. So what is the command? If you want to clone the repository, what is the command? Now I am committing my local git. So git bash and coming to here. how to clone the existing repository? What is the command? Git clone -b. What is the branch name? Development branch. What is the URL? Repository URL. That's it. Now my code is available in local machine. Correct? cd space maven web application ls. Now this is my file. So directly we need to create, right, how to create file. Touch space Jenkins file. That's it. No need to give any extension and all. So already my file is available. I want to update. So how to update your local file? vi command. Vi. So Jenkins file. If we click on, just insert. So this is my old, right? Now remove this entire script and all. Just remove. Escape dd. Delete. So dd means delete. Okay. Now already I have that code, right? Next copy this one. Where is this? So let me copy this. And so coming to here, edit, just paste it. First I means insert. So insert. Okay, just paste it. Not copied. Control A, Control C, Control here, paste it. Okay. Now here I need to change something. So this is remaining story same only. So this is the yesterday my IP is different, right? So today my IP is different. Now I need to give my IP. So what is this? So coming to here, so my Tomcat. Where is this is Tomcat, right? 240. So 18.207. I need to update this. Otherwise it won't work. So we need to update this IP. This is the old IP, right? Yesterday IP. This is the public IP. Now today I got new IP. I restarted my mission, right? I stopped and so this is the what is this? 18.207. 18.207.233.240. 232.240. That's it. Now remaining story same only. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? So if you are using any elastic IP, I hope everyone know what is elastic IP. Already sir also explained, right, in AWS. So that is the static IP. So even if you restart your machine, even if you shut down machine, it won't change. So right now I am using public IP. So public means once if I restart my instance, it will change. Or if I start my instance again, I started, it will change. That's it. So now see here, entire script I updated in my Jenkins file. Escape colon X. Now, so git status. Check the status. One file is modified. Now tell me commands. Git add. Correct. Git commit -m. So updated. So Jenkins file. That's it. Okay. Now git push origin. What is the git push origin dev branch? So origin dev. Invalid username password.
Git remote add you need to give, otherwise.
Already same only. Git remote. Already I cloned, right? -v hyphen.
Yes. Try to push forcefully.
Git push. Already I'm in same repo only. Git push -u. I
Yes.
think token is expired.
Yes.
Token. Click on token. Already I have the token. Don't know. Wait, let me check it. So 2 months, but that is expired or not? I don't know. Maybe it is expired. If it is expired, I will copy a new token. So let me copy here. I think I keep here. Mm, this batch I updated. Somewhere I keep that. So settings, ID list. This is my token ID. Okay. Control C. If it is not working, I will generate new token. So paste it, sign it. Where is this? unauthorized. Okay, let me generate a new token ID. So coming to here. So here settings, developer settings. Where is this developer? Where I am in repository. This is the repository, right?
No,
So here,
click on M. Yes, yes, yes.
okay, here settings. So developer settings, and go to personal access token ID
Classic.
and classic, and delete this one. I don't want. So I deleted and generate new token ID. So this is a classic only and name. So git token or dev apps, whatever we can give it. Okay. So I don't want 30 days. I am giving so no expire. Okay, or else I can give 90 days. So just selected scopes where you want to. That's enough for me for pushing and all. Just generate the new token. So now copy this token and let me update here also. So this is a new token. Now enter username for mhm, username for at yahoo.com. Anyway, it won't work. Let me check it. Till it is verifying. Or else Control C. So again I am running V. So git push. Now coming to here. Already I have token, right? So here this is my new token. Copy this new token and so coming to here, just paste it. Sign in. Now see here. Now it is pushed. Now it is pushed. Now coming to your repository. So go to here. Go to github.com. So github.com and go to your repository. This is right. Now I updated my code. Check it whether it is updated or not. Select dev branch. Select dev branch. So now my code is I keep in SCM, source code management. So 4 minutes ago I committed. So this is my Jenkins file. Now updated my entire script and all I keep in my source code only. Source code parallel only. Now coming to here. Now coming to here. Go to job. Go to your pipeline project. Go to your pipeline job. Go to your pipeline job. Click on the configuration. So earlier I selected a scripting area, right? This is the scripted area. I don't want. So my source code and all already I keep in my SCM, source code management. Now select repository. So what is the repository URL? So this is my repository URL. So click on this. This is my repository URL. Copy this repository URL and coming to here, paste it. Now, so what is credential? This is my git credential. Next, what is the branch name? Where that file is available updated? Dev branch only. Where this file is updated? Dev branch only. So dev branch only. Apply, save. Apply, save. Now this is right. So this is your correct. Now go to here. Already here. I am going to undeploy it. So I am going to undeploy it. Just refresh it. So refresh it. So refresh, right? Now come to job. So now I configure everything. Let me check it, double check. Go to configuration section. So go to I selected pipeline script from the SCM. Where is my script and all? Pipeline script available SCM, source code management. That is nothing but my repository. What is the file name? default file name, Jenkins file. So if you want to, there is a question. So can I change this? Suppose if I give different name, is it working or not? So 100% it will work, but you need to give your path and all. So default file name is Jenkins file. By default, Jenkins server, it is identifying, it is reading Jenkins file from your repository. Suppose apart from this Jenkins file, if you want to, we can change the file name. So if you change this file name, again we need to update that path and all. So here also we can update. So this is the default file name. Now see here, default file name, it is a script path. What is the default file name? Jenkins file. Suppose if we give any different file name, so that file name and that path and all we need to update here. We need to update here. That's it. Apply. Step. Now build now. That's it. Both are same only, but earlier I used scripted area. My entire script I pasted in the script. Now I don't want to script. I want to use also pipeline from SCM. SCM means you are keeping your, now see here, continuous deployment also done. Everything succeeded. So everything succeeded. Now coming to your Jenkins, coming to your Tomcat server, just refresh it. So just refresh it. Anyway, it will deploy. Build is success only, right? Go to here. Go to here. Once I deploy, redeployed. Second time only it is properly deployed, but not like this. One time only it will deploy, but it is taking time. Now done. Now coming to here and just refresh it. Now see here, Maven web application Java deployed. So this is the way in real time we are following. So this is the way real time we are following. So not 100%. So I'm not saying all are using Jenkins file, and most of the cases, most of the cases we are using SCM pipeline from SCM. So there is one option available. So if you want to maintain, if you want to use this option, so now go to configure, and so this is option SCM pipeline script from SCM source code management. So if you select this option, now we need to give your repository URL, and we need to add your credential in real time. These are the mandatory, and which branch your code, your script and all available, master branch, dev branch or test branch, wherever you updated. So now I updated my dev only, I didn't update any other branches, only updated dev branch. And so here what is the default file name I given? Same file name only, Jenkins file. So this file available here. Now see here, this is my file. Now if I run this pipeline, what Jenkins server will do? First it will go to this repository, it is checking this file is available or not. If already this file is available, now I have script, right? So these steps and all it will execute. That's it, very simple. Got it? Anyone any doubt here? Clear guys? Now how it will work? So now if you configure like this, if you run this project, if you run this job, so first it will go to this repository, and already we configure credentials and all, and it will go to that specific branch, and it will search for this file. So this file is available or not? Yes, sir. That file is available. Jenkins file is available. So in the Jenkins file already we written some script. Already updated my pipeline script and all. Now based it will read this pipeline script, and it will execute these steps and all. It will execute these stages and all. Clear guys? I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? What Dilip?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, so this is the flow. So, but real time, some right. So based on the requirement, so might be we can use so this option, or if you select this option directly, we can write. If you select directly, this is a scripted area. So whatever you want, we can write here. That's it. And so if you want to keep your script and all in our SCM, so that case select this one, and we need to configure these options. And based on this only, your script will execute. Your pipeline will execute. Okay. So now I hope you got some idea, right? What is declarative pipeline and what is scripted pipeline, and what are the changes we need to made. So declarative and scripted pipeline. And suppose if you want to work with SCM, and that case we need to create one file in our repository, and whatever script you updated, so just copy and paste into that file. That's it. Very simple. Copy and paste your content, that whatever script you implemented, copy that script and keep in our Jenkins file, and keep in our repository parallel. That's it. This is my repository, maven web hyphen application. So this is my branch name. In this branch, and this is my file. So what is the default file name? Pipeline default file name Jenkins file. So whatever you implemented script, just copy and paste it here, updated. That's it. Clear? So that's it from my side. Now I hope so you got it right. What is the declarative pipeline and what is scripted pipeline, and how to implement and how to. So mostly we are using snippet tool. With the help of the tool only, whatever step you needed, we can generate the script and copy and paste in our script area. And test it and everything working fine. And so next we can so keep in our Jenkins file and we can commit it. That is very simple. So that's it from my side. If